I've got my new tractor tire chains laid out on the floor. They're to fit my 12.4 by 16 R4 tires on the Kubota B7800. These are dual grip chains from Canadian Chains. And I've already installed the other chain on the tire, so I know what I have to cut off and what I have to add. I'll show you some of the things I did to the first. So they give you lots of extra side chain so that you can make adjustments. I did not need the whole tail of the chain here, so I ended up cutting that link there and leaving just one link on the side chain to hook up to the other end of the chain. So the side chains, like most of them, come with a fastener or end hook for completing the attachment of your side chains. I've never liked those, and I've got my tire chains on for 5 or 6 months of the year, so I get rid of those. So I've cut off the side chain fastener and the link that it attaches to, and I'll be replacing that with a quick link. So the quick link will go in there where the side chain fastener came off of. To make the final connection on the cross chains, they supply these clevis type hookups, and again I'll be getting rid of those and replacing them with a quick link. So on the other tire, what I ended up doing, just because of the length of the cross chain, is cutting the last link on the cross chain off, and then I put the quick link in there. And this other quick link that completes the side chain, it goes in there and hooks up to the other end of the chain. So I've already done the other tire, so that's why I know that these links are correct. I've already cut the other chain and installed it, and I'll show you what that looks right now. From what I can see, good quality on these chains. They're put together well, and we'll get them on the tractor and give them a try. There's the small load binder or boomer that I use for tightening up the side chains so I can get the quick link connected. So here's the chains installed on the tire. This is the outside of the tire where you put the lug nuts on. So you can see there's my quick link right there that joins the side chain, and there's the quick link that makes the attachment for the last cross link. I've got 18-inch bungee cords going to a central ring, and they come through and double back, and that keeps the tension on the chain on this side. And I've also got a similar system on the back axle side. I'll show you that. The chains are nice and tight with this setup, and I've got this setup on my TEA Ferguson. That's a 1952 TEA Ferguson. I've got the same setup using bungee cords Works well. Bungee cords last about 3 years, then you have to replace them just from the cold and the tension on them. I'll show you the axle side of the tire. So we're on the axle side of the tire, and what I've done here is taken a 3/8 inch hydraulic hose, put two connectors on the ends, and screwed them together and tightened them. This works well because when it comes time to take the chains off, you just break that connection, take this off from around the axle, and then next year put it back on again. Again, quick link, replacing the side chain fastener, and that connects the side chain, and there's a quick link that connects the last cross chain. As I said, I had to cut off one link on each side on the cross chain, and it worked out well. Chains are all nice and tight. I expect that that's going to work just fine. Here's a close-up of the quick links. So one quick link joins the side chain. The other quick link joins the cross chain to the side chain. Here's a close-up of the axle side. Again, that's a 3/8 hydraulic hose. You can break it there with the fitting. And it's approximately 10 inches in diameter to fit around the hub. So again, when spring comes, take off all your bungee cords, crack that, and you can uninstall it. Got the tire chains installed and the rims and tires back on the Kubota B7800. Just going to do a run-by test here, see if I can slow it down and just see how sloppy or tight the chains are. They actually look pretty good. I think we'll be okay.